Hello again, amazing learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. You're learning so well. We've already reached 140 useful words together. Today we'll learn about jobs and workplaces, words you use when talking about people's work and where they do it. Get ready, grab your notebook, and let's start learning together. Doctor's a person who helps sick people get well. Doctor. Say it with me, doctor. Nurse is a person who cares for patients in a hospital. Nurse. Repeat after me, nurse. Teacher is a person who helps students learn in school. Teacher. Say it clearly, teacher. Farmer is a person who grows crops or raises animals. Farmer. Let's repeat, farmer. Driver is a person who drives a car, bus, or truck. Driver. Say it with me, driver. Police is a person who keeps people safe and stops crime. Police. Repeat slowly, police. Firefighter is a person who puts out fires and rescues people. Firefighter. Say it clearly, firefighter. Chef is a person who cooks food in a restaurant. Chef. Let's practice chef. Waiter is a person who serves food and drinks to customers. Waiter. Say it with me, waiter. Shopkeeper is a person who runs a shop and sells things. Shopkeeper. Repeat after me, shopkeeper. Office is a place where people work at desks or computers. Office. Say it clearly, office. Hospital is a place where doctors and nurses help sick people. Hospital. Let's repeat, hospital. School is a place where teachers help students learn. School. Say it with me, school. Farm is land where crops grow or animals live. Farm. Repeat slowly, farm. Factory is a place where things are made by machines or workers. Factory. Say it clearly, factory. Restaurant is a place where people pay to eat meals. Restaurant. Let's practice, restaurant. Shop is a place where people buy and sell things. Shop. Say it with me, shop. Market is a place where people sell food, clothes, and goods. Market. Repeat after me, market. Bank is a place where people keep money or borrow it. Bank. Say it clearly, bank. Post office is a place where you send and receive letters or parcels. Post office. Let's repeat, post office. Great work today! You now know 140 words in our basic 1000 English words journey. Look around your town or city and name the jobs and places you see in English. Example, the doctor works in the hospital. The chef works in the restaurant. Tell me in the comments, what job do you want to have in the future? Next time, we'll learn 20 more useful words. Keep practicing every day!